National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 10:40 Central Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles northwest of Escambia Bay Bridge to 7 nautical miles east of Blackwater Bay Bridge near Fort Walton, southwest at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts at 40 knots. Source: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher winds. Locations in Texas include Monica Bay, Big Lagoon, Pensacola Pass, Fort Pickens, East Bay, Pensacola Bay Bridge, Garcon Point Bridge, Perdido Pass, Pensacola Bay and West Santa Rosa Sound. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued up to 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations. Perdido Bay Area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Tidal information.